wasn't my fault, though.
Then who told you to scream?
No one.
No one told you to scream at them, and yet here you are screaming at the top of your lungs?
Not at the top of my lungs. I was afraid to hurt my voice. If I could do something.
Whoa! Let's chill out on the screaming.
Hey, is that ice cream sundae you have in your hand?
Yes, it is.
Can I have a bite?
Sure thing.
Wow. That is really good.
Isn't it? I know.
So what are you doing with ice cream Sunday in the middle of church?
Same as you, introducing the new theme.
You silly. The new theme isn't about ice cream. It's called I Scream.
Is that why you're screaming?
Whoa. Wait a minute. It's ice cream, not ice cream, but ice cream.
So that's why you're screaming.
I'm such a goof.
It's okay, John. We all make mistakes, and God is quick to forgive us when we do. That's just one of the many things we learn when we come to church.
I am so glad He forgives me. I make a lot of mistakes.
Yeah, this series is all about the sweet life we can have in Jesus, and it begins with one special day. Can you guess what day that is?
International Ice Cream Day. My birthday?
Come on, John, concentrate.
You got me stumped.
What's the thing that's in my hand called again?
It's an ice cream sun. Oh. Sunday.
Yes, Sunday is the day we come together and learn about God. When we come ready to meet Jesus. Sunday can be just as sweet as gathering with friends to eat Sundays.
I'd say even sweeter.
Well, I think we've done our job for this week. Want to come and share an ice cream sundae with me?
No way.
No way.
I want one of my own. Anybody got any butterscotch?